RBI data, large deposits above rupee 5 crore cross one-third share. India's banking system is witnessing a significant shift in deposit patterns, with banks increasingly relying on large ticket fixed deposits to sustain deposit growth. According to the latest Reserve Bank of India (RBI) annual basic statistical returns (BSR) data for financial year 26, deposits of rupee 5 crore and above now account for more than one-third of term deposits in the banking system. The trend highlights growing concentration in high-value deposits as banks face challenges in mobilizing retail household savings. Large deposits continue to gain importance. The RBI data shows that the term deposits worth rupee 1 crore and above accounted for 46.3% of total term deposits as of March 2020, continuing an upward trend over recent years. Financial year 24 share of total term deposits 43.66%. Financial year 25 45.07%. Financial year 26 46.30%. This steady rise suggests that banks are increasingly dependent on a smaller group of depositors contributing large amounts of capital. Why are banks depending more on large depositors? Banks have been facing slower growth in retail savings despite strong credit demand across the economy. Some major reasons include higher household spending, reducing saving rates, increased investment in equity and mutual fund markets, competition from alternative investment avenues, rising demand for credit requiring stable deposit inflows. As a result, banks have focused more on attracting bulk deposits from institutions and wealthy depositors. Shift in deposit composition. The RBI data also indicates changing sectoral participation in deposit share by sector. Non-financial sector, financial year 25 17.7%, financial year 26 18.5%, financial corporation, financial year 25 6.8%, financial year 26 7.8%. This shows stronger participation by the institutional and corporate entities in the banking deposit ecosystem. What does this mean for the banking sector? The increasing concentration of deposits among high value accounts creates both opportunities and challenges. Positive impact: improves liquidity availability for banks, supports higher lending capacity, helps maintain credit growth. Potential risk: higher dependence on a limited depositor base, increased competition for a large deposit accounts, greater vulnerability if institutional funds move elsewhere. Why retail deposits still matter? Retail deposits remain an important source of stable and low cost funding for banks. A broader retail depositor base helps reduce funding concentration risk, maintain stable liquidity, improve long term financial resilience. Banks may continue introducing attractive savings and deposit products to strengthen household participation.